Welcome to my channel Esteems Tech. In this video, we are going to explore more features of ChatGPT. Come, let's learn. First of all, I'm going to display study notes on any topic. Let's say I need study notes on correlation, and I'm asking it simply in simple words. I need study notes of correlation. So it will provide me with the study notes. It's really wonderful. If you missed your lecture, or if you didn't understand, or if you didn't listen to your teacher properly, but you should, you can ask ChatGPT to provide you with the study notes. Okay, now another thing is I can also use ChatGPT to correct sentences. For example, I'm writing here, I need apples. I'm asking it to correct it. Correct it. Yeah, so it has corrected it for me. Yeah, so next thing is we can translate our natural language to SQL query. How is, let's say, please create a database employee for me in SQL, and it will create query in SQL. It's really so simple and it's really wonderful. It's wonderful to learn anything. If it's really wonderful to interact with it, simply good. Yeah, another thing is like if I have some objects, I can also classify them. How? Let's see. I'm asking it to classify what? Apple, Microsoft, LG, Sony, iOS, Android. Let's say, and you can also write here, let's say all these. See, it has given me the classification like Apple is a company, all these are companies, iOS is operating system, Android is operating system. Again, these. I am going to ask something more about it. On this classification, I'm just asking, I need more information on the classification. So it is providing me the detailed information. So you can see here, it remembers what I'm asking. I didn't tell ChatGPT about those objects that I provided in the previous conversation. It understands, it memorizes, it actually acts like human. So it's really fantastic. So now I'm asking ChatGPT to convert one programming language to another. For example, I have this code in Python, and I'm asking it to translate it to Java. So now I'm going to convert Python programming language to Java. So see, this is the code, the similar code in Java. It has made our life so easy, really. Very nice. Okay, so if I don't understand Java, I can simply ask. I need not to copy it, but I just need to understand the code. You can ask ChatGPT to explain the code. Please explain. It will explain the code for you. Amazing, simply amazing. Very nice. We can also ask factual questions or any kind of questions to ChatGPT like who is Spider-Man? It seems like ChatGPT watches cartoons. Yeah, so if I'm asking it to what what is the role of Spider-Man? You can ask anything, simply anything. So sometimes apart from this, sometimes you might have seen that your code has may have bugs. For example, let's see, I'm going to remove it from here and copying it here, and I'm asking ChatGPT to remove bugs. Remove bugs from the code, from this code in Python. Let's see how it understand. It has given me the right response. It simply knows anything. Simply wonderful, so good. No words for ChatGPT. So now this is so good. In case I want to write an email that I want to invite people on my birthday party and I want to write an email and I'm asking ChatGPT. So write email for me so that I can invite people on my birthday party at so I'm just writing this sentence and now it is going to write everything for me, a whole email. It also understands address, that was my address, so the location. So accordingly it composed email for me. That's great. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to ask list 10 most popular sci-fi books. It's so good, really. It's giving me a list. Although I'm not going to read all these books, but whatever you can ask, it can provide you. Yeah, so now I can simply ask ChatGPT to provide me the list of movies, most famous, like the famous movies of 2022. You can simply ask the popular movies in Hindi version or anything, whatever comes to your mind, you can ask. So now I'm going to ask some codes, airport codes of USA. Although definitely it is going to give me few of the like the famous airports and the corresponding codes. Very nice. Now I'm going to ask to give me some ideas to reduce weight in 10 days. So it has given me a plan for me so that I can reduce my weight in 10 days. Very nice. So I can even ask to give me recipe of um, sandwich. No, something. Let's say I'm going to ask the recipe of falafel. Although OpenAI people are saying that not to rely on ChatGPT, but I think it's correct. The information is really with the higher accuracy. So it can also give me the recipe. So now I'm going to asking it to create advertisement on something. I think I have a restaurant named Zucchini. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create an advertisement. It can simply create it for me.
Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. We are so thankful that you are supporting us.